One thing I like about our program is it has a very individualized experience. So if you are pre-athletic training, pre-physical therapy, pre-occupational therapy, you want to be a personal trainer, your experience can be tailored for your individual goals.
We have a combination of all the stuff you need in terms of equipment and class content and all those sorts of things. But we also have a kind of diverse faculty in our experience and our ability to teach things.
One of our biggest strengths is that we have personable faculty that really care about the students and want them to get everything they can out of their education.
There's just a lot of opportunities, and they're all very involved in like what I do even outside of the classroom. It's a growing field, and they're growing the department. They have a metabolic cart with an EKG now, and there's now research being done with that as well. Just a lot of opportunities to go around with that.
The great thing with that equipment is we don't just get to talk about the physiology or what's going on in the body in the classroom. We get to go actually do the measurements, see the graphs, see the charts.
A lot of students who are pre-physical therapy and want to attend professional school, it's very important that they have some cadaver experience, but it's also kind of rare. So I've talked to students who have gone on to PT school, and they say, you have to do a lot of cadaver work there. So the fact that we do have a cadaver, I think, makes us very unique.
Coming from a smaller school here, not a lot of schools have a cadaver, so that was a really great opportunity to see and get to pretty much dissect the human body, which was really cool to experience. And as you're in anatomy, you're learning about each and every little muscle and bone, and so being able to see that firsthand is really cool because not a lot of people get that opportunity.
Not every student walks in with the same preparation, with the same mindset, with the same career goals. But we are flexible enough that we can help each one of those students get to the point where they want to be or need to be for their future career or life.
But once you get here, you really get a feel for your professors, and they're just there to help you. They don't want anything more for you than to succeed. That's all they want for you, and I've really felt that since being here.